Welcome to another video. I'm here in Fort Charlotte, right by Lucea. Today is the next day where I'm doing another tour. So there are 3 guys with me on this tour. You might be a little camera shy, but at least I'll take you around and show you the different places I'm stopping to show them. So one of the first places we stop is Fort Charlotte. As you guys know, I've been here before. If you look at my videos, it was built in the 1800s, has a lot of cannons and whatnot, and it's right on the cliffs. It's pretty cool. But busy day, so let's head up.
He's the alpha male.
Make sure.
So we stop at the side of the road here to get some coconut, and we've seen a whole set of nice fruits and things. So let me go through the fruits and see the names of the fruits, because the name of the fruits is different from in Trinidad. What do you guys call this? Neesberry. We call that sapadilla. What they pawpaw, right?
Papaya.
Or papaya.
Jambalaya.
Star fruit. 5 fingers.
Or carambola.
Or carabola. Yeah.
You have guava.
Yeah, we are guava, man. Look over here. Small guava. You know, long means here guava.
Orange.
And this is Otahiti apple. Yeah. I don't know what we call that in Trinidad.
What?
It's called this Pumarak.
Pumarak.
Yeah.
Yeah, back home.
Back home, yeah, Pumarak.
Okay. What's your name?
Otahiti apple and we have the soursop here.
Oh, we have my sour.
I didn't even know you said that out loud.
Alright, so we stop here at the side of the road. I don't know if you guys could notice it. We're by Tryall, and I'm going to show them the waterwheel. And it's turning today, so that's cool. Wow, look how fast that's turning.
Wow.
So that wheel is turning so fast. Let's walk around and get a better look here.
Oh, wow.
So as you can see behind me, that's the boiler tank from back in the day when they used to use here with the water wheel to process sugar cane. And you still have the chimney stack. So this trip I'm taking these guys to Ocho Rios. So we started in Negril, we're making a few stops as you saw, and we're going to Ochi. So all of this is Mobe, and you guys know Mobe with all my videos. I stopped to show them the beach here at Dead End, Buccaneer's beach, and we'll watch a few airplanes come in. We just went by Dead End, Buccaneer, and let's stop by the Mobe sign. You see them? To take out pictures. We were taken off by pictures by the Montego Bay sign by the highway, but then I remembered in the airport there is this I Heart Montego Bay sign that is way better. Alright, so now that we took out all of those Montego Bay pictures, we're heading back on the roads. After one, we came, this is Scothies, and we got something to eat, and now we're heading back up the road. All about with speed. If you look. Alright, so we run up fast. It almost goes in time, but we make it here in Dunn's River. So we will go and climb the river now. just came out of Dunn's River, and it is past 5 in the evening, and Dunn's River just closed the front gate at 4. We had us to rush to go in, get the tickets, and then to come back, get what we need. And when we went, it was 4 o'clock on the dot, and it was closing the gate. We were the last people for the day to get into Dunn's River. But we got in, and it was pretty good. So at least the guys experienced Ochi and they experienced the famous Dunn's River. One of the guys who I'm giving the tour to today knows someone inside it. This is Hermosa. It's kind of an exclusive little villa cove. You have your own private beach and thing inside here. So you know we just come in to check it out. Cool. Right guys, so I'm here in Drax Hall. That's the Knutsford building depot there in Drax Hall. So I just drop off the guys. They're going to take the bus back to Kingston. And now I have a little drive to Montego Bay, but I've done this drive many times, so it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, it was a pretty good trip. I hope they enjoyed it, and I hope you guys, if you want to do a trip and they come into Jamaica, hey, contact me. I'll make sure you have a good time. Okay? As always, thanks so much for watching. I really enjoyed putting together this for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay? Bye.